Welcome back guys to a new video, and today we're going to go over all the dividends we have received this month. Now if we start scrolling down, we can see there's a couple of stocks there. We've got some stocks in the green, some stocks in the red, as things usually are. But let's just go ahead and start with the dividend amount that we got the most this month, and that is going to be from good old National Grid right there. So the stock is on a nice upward trajectory from the recent dip right there. Let's go ahead, scroll down and take a look. We have 10 shares there, so that's a decent amount of shares right now. It is up 8.77%. I'm pretty happy with that. Hopefully it continues there for the next coming weeks and such. Let's go ahead down and see that its dividend yield is pretty big as well at 5.8% there. So that's pretty big dividend yield, to be honest. Let's go ahead, take a scroll down and see how much it has given us. And that 10 shares has given us €4.65 in total dividends in this dividend payout. So you can see the tax rate is also 0% right there, which helps. So that's pretty nice. Let's go ahead, move on now to the second dividend that we had this month, and that is going to be good old realty income, guys. So let's go down. I did add to this position recently, so let's go down and take a look. We do now own 5 shares, and that is to ensure we get approximately €1 every single month depending on the exchange rate there. But you can see realty income, we are up 8.8%. In terms of euros, that is over €21 there. So I'm pretty happy about realty income there as well. It is starting to go back up. The Federal Reserve potentially bringing down interest rate there, so potentially impacting the stock price there. Let's go down and take a look. There it is. The upcoming dividends information is right there. Let's go back, and the dividend yield is also pretty nice at 5.4%. Good old reliable realty income, been paying dividends for many number of years, over 60 years I believe it is. Let's go down and see what the dividend payment was, and it was €1.03 there, guys. So you can see before we had 2 shares there, and that gave us 42 cents after the withholding tax rate of 15%. But now with our 5 shares and the dividend withholding tax rate of 15%, that is approximately €1.03. So that's pretty nice. That'll give us €12 every single year just purely from this stock, which I'm pretty happy about. Now that was our 2 stocks that paid the most dividends. Some honorable mentions there, some stocks that gave a small amount of dividend. Let's take a look. It was Agri Realty. So where is it? It is in the green. I do plan on selling this stock there. Let's take a look. And it is in the green by only 2 cents right there. Let's go down and take a look. It's got an upcoming dividend payment as well. That doesn't matter to me because I'm going to be planning to sell it when the markets open up. It has a dividend yield of 4.3%, which is pretty good as well. Let's go down and take a look. An honorable mention there, it has been paying me 2 cents every single month there. Let's go back now, take a look at the last dividend we received, which is another honorable mention because it's a tiny percent of a share right there. So that gave us approximately, which is nothing great, guys, so 1 cent there. So every little helps there, but I'm pretty chuffed about that. We got more than €5 in dividends right there from this month. And if we add up all the stocks that are in the green right now, which is going to be Agri Realty, Barrick Gold, Johnson & Johnson, National Grid, Realty Income, and Unilever, all those stocks in the green amount to €98.27. So that's pretty nice there. And the only reason we are in the red is purely because of 2 stocks that I have invested in quite a lot of money, to be honest. But let's go ahead, take a look. It is going to be gold mining. I invested quite a bit into this stock there. Let's take a look. It hasn't been doing too well, but I am pretty confident that it can eventually make its way back up to break even, and then we're going to sell it there. It's quite a lot of money, so I do want to get it out of there and put it in some other stocks there. So let's go back. And the second stock that we have mistakenly invested in, unfortunately, is going to be gold mining. So these two stocks amount to almost 200 quid there. So that's why our portfolio is in the red. So this stock here, you can see it's been pretty flat the last couple of weeks and months right there. So I'm not sure how long it's going to take for this stock to go back up. Probably potentially a couple number of years for it to go back up, but I'm just going to leave it there and let it play out for right now. So guys, that's going to be a quick update from me in terms of my portfolio and the dividends we have received. Two massive dividends there amounting to more than €5, so I'm pretty chuffed about that. Let me know how your month went, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for some more portfolio updates.